and welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm so aggressive, so let's start again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I have to share with you how I recreate this look, and actually the idea behind doing this makeup look, it's coming from Instagram, a series that was created by Tracey from Little Makeup Channel. I will post her Instagram handle here and also down below on my description box. Don't forget to check her out. And basically what we're doing is we are picking up the products that we are going to use for the upcoming week. We are doing this every Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern time. So it's 1 p.m. Pacific time if you are on the West Coast, and for me it's 10 p.m. Central European time. So there is that, but I'm very happy for this collab because I have the opportunity to dig in my collection and pull out products that I do not give them too much love. And I'm going to use those for the next week. Maybe not all those products, I'm going to bring something else, but I will concentrate towards using those products. So this weekend, it was the second edition that we did, and also we had two more girls that have joined, two more ladies that have joined us, Mel from Mercier's Makeup and Style and Jackie Natural. So I'm going to put both ladies' Instagram handles here on the screen, and I'm also going to link them down below on my description box. So go ahead and like their post and give them a comment, a heart, or whatever you want. Just show them some love. As Tracey mentioned, this is open to anyone, so if you want more details, go ahead and visit Tracey Instagram page. I'm going to have all the products that I have used today on my description box, and also you can see them. I have linked in my Instagram post. So I wanted to use all of them today. Right, let's go ahead with this quick makeup look that I like to put when I'm on the go, when I'm running errands and so on, and I don't want to fuss around way too much. I have all the makeup that I have shown you on my Instagram page, and I have already primed my face. I'm not sure if this was in this week, in the past week, or on the previous week. The Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. I want to finish this. This is like a primer. It's a milky consistency. It's very good underneath foundation. Doesn't have any glitter to it. It's just a shiny consistency and has a strange smell. But other than that, if you are not bothered by that, by the way, the smell is strong, but it's very good and shine. It brings you that nice shine from within. And because we are speaking about the shine, I'm going to use the Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury and add that a bit underneath. So I have ordered a mirror that I hope it will help me more for doing my tutorials, because I have just a small one in front of me, and I have this one that I keep it on the table where I keep the products in front of me. But yeah, I want a bigger mirror to be fixed, to not have to take care of it. For foundation, I have pulled out my Bobbi Brown stick, which I have it from a long time. This is a very nice foundation and it's really on the go. I would not say that it's a very long-lasting foundation, but it's nice, it's okay. And buffing it with my BK Beauty 101 brush. I find that for stick foundations, I like to use a foundation brush, and this is fantastic. If I can recommend you more, something more from BK Beauty, this is their 101 brush. Of course, I want to try more of their brushes, but this is the holy grail. And it has blended everything in a minute. For concealer, I have pulled out this Catrice Camouflage Slimatic Camouflage Stick. I have used this a while ago and I really love it, but now I have noticed that it's not that creamy as it was when I have bought it. I think this product is no longer available, but it was one of the best I've tried from Catrice. And I'm going to use this Smashbox brush. Precise highlighter brush. Yes, exactly for highlighter I'm going to use it. It's very soft. I'm going to set the concealer immediately because otherwise it will start to crease. I find that it's working better if I use this Catrice Nude Illusion powder. I usually don't use this underneath my eyes because I find it a bit drying, but for this particular concealer it works better. Quick contour. This is the Persona stick contour stick in the shade Dune. Bronze multi-stick it is called. Now the only problem that I have with this, I need to sneeze. I managed to sneeze on camera. What about that? So the only problem that I have with this is that it's a bit warm for me, for my skin tone, but it's very creamy. If she would have had this in a cooler tone, she has another shade which is more deeper for me. I might try that one, but just waiting for sales, because with shipping and taxes from ordering from Persona Cosmetics, this stick that it usually retails for $26, it will end up costing me like $60. This is very creamy, but I want, as I told you, a deeper shade. You see, it's very nice to cover it, and I also appreciate the fact that she has this kind of lid. So every time I use it, I put it back on the top because it will prevent the product not to dry. And moving back to the Milk Makeup bronzer, this is the Glow Lip and Cheek. I'm going to add it on the top, and why not? And now I'm going to set everything with the very same powder, and I didn't grab a powder brush, so I'm going to use my under eye setting brush. By the way, this brush is by BH Cosmetics and it's one of my favorite brushes. Brush 125. Actually, I have found those brushes which are no longer available for years. I ordered mine from Beauty Bay, so I have found this on a store on Czech Republic, so I don't know if I should order the entire set for maybe 3-4 brushes, because in the set there are 10. But I really love this brush, and some of the face, the powder brush is very nice. So returning to the stick that I showed you, I'm going to take, I will take this BK Beauty 207 brush, which is a pencil brush, and start to add it on my crease. Why not? I'm experimenting. I have done another look with those products, but I have used a different approach. And I have applied prior a eyeshadow primer. Persona is the brand name, but her name, her creator, is a YouTube creator, and her name is Sona Gasparian. So when she created this multi-stick, she said that you can use it for your eyes, for your face, or even for your lips. Of course, I'm not going to use this brown shade on my lips, but maybe for if you are different skin tone than mine, it will look like a nude shade for you. So just keep in mind that it's very multitasking. I'm still surprised why I'm not using this stick more often, because they are so good. So good. And now I'm going to take my Charlotte Cod. Guys, as we are speaking now, I have just ordered last night the Sonia G Pro Niji brush, so I'm very excited about that. It was in stock at some point, and I was thinking that I will wait for the gift card event, which I think it will be around March or April on Beautylish. And that brush went sold out like within 24 hours. This was in January. And my friend Tracey, she told me, she grabbed it then and she told me, Julia, you need this brush. And I said, no, I'm waiting for the gift card event. You know, because with taxes for me, it came to $103 for one brush. But yesterday I received notification from Beautylish that Niji Pro is back in stock, so I didn't care about waiting for gift card event because I know that I'm not going to put my hands on it. And now I'm going to take, this is the Unit 310. Those are the brushes that I received in my Beautylish lucky bag. So I either take this shade, the lightest shade from the Charlotte Tilbury quad, or if I'm more lazy, but now I already have opened the palette, so if I don't do that, I'm taking this Champagne Color Chameleon Champagne Diamonds crayon, and I define my inner corner. And for my lower lash line, I'm taking a small brush. This is Sona G flat definer, and I'm going to take this shade and run it just a little bit, mostly. Yeah, I know this look, it's a little bit more defined that I'm usually doing, but this is usually happening when I'm applying makeup on camera. And now taking this Charlotte now I just have one more thing to do. I'm going to use this Gillian Dempsey Kohl eyeliner. This is a fantastic liner. I received it last year in a Cult Beauty bag or something like this, and I haven't used it for a long time, but it's very creamy. So I'm going to drag a bit of a wing. Last time I also used it on my waterline. I'm not the type of person that adds too much on her waterline, and it also has a smudger if you want to do so. I'm going to do my brows and my mascara out camera, and I'm going to come back. Brows are on, so for brows I have used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer and the Brow Gel. Both are in the shade Taupe. Of course, I have curled my lashes using my Refre eyelash curler, which I don't know why, but I always forget to add it on the basket. And I have used this Sephora mascara. It's the Big by Definition. I am surprised to see how much product is in this sample size. So this is 1 ml or so. The face, it's done. Maybe the only thing that I want to do is to add just a tad of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. And I'm using the L'Oreal Color Riche lip liner, le lip liner in the shade Bois de Rose. And I'm slightly filling my lips with this same liner. I love this shade because it reminds me of my Gerard Cosmetics Bel Air. It's almost the same shade. So now to complete my lip look, I'm going to use the same stick from Milk. Maybe I will use my finger. Okay, I have something remain, so I can dab it on my skin. But that's it. I don't add any other blush or contour. Everything I have, it's a natural contour, and actually this is more like mask proof because I have set everything with powder, so the rubbing on the mask, it will be minimal. So yeah, we are still wearing the mask as of now. So let me know, what do you think about this look? It's more put together that I really wanted. I'm usually not that particular, but I was recording, and it's also not taking so much time when I do not record. But for the sake of the tutorial I was a bit more detailed, but I love it. Let me know what was your favorite product of today's video. Don't forget to visit all the ladies that I have mentioned in this video, so don't forget to visit Tracey, Mel and Jackie. Give them a big like on their Instagram post and also visit their YouTube channels and subscribe to them because they are amazing and they have really great content. I wanted to let you know that this week is my son's birthday, so he's celebrating his 7th anniversary on February 17th. So he was born 3 days after Valentine's Day, so we are considering him like a Valentine's gift for us. So if you are not following me and you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and please give it a thumbs up. It will help my channel to be more pushed up on the algorithm deal, whatever is there underneath, I don't know. Yeah, so don't forget the most beautiful makeup that you can wear, it's your own smile. And I'm looking forward to see you again with another video. Don't forget to check the videos that I'm going to put here on the screen for you. Bye guys!